Hi everybody, and welcome to Wednesday, October 6th. For today, since it's a modified day, it's a short day, we're just going to keep it nice and, short, chicos. For today, we had, our do now is our binder check chats. For those of you that are confused or are like, what, Ms. Ornelas, what are binder check chats again? As a reminder, your binder check chats are located in Google Classroom under here, binder check chats. I'll make sure I have a video up for this, but this is something we will be doing until November 3rd in class, and it's a way that you guys are reflecting actively on how's binder check going for you, okay? We've been doing these since September, okay? It is well into October. You should be doing the, not October 13th, October 6th ones. You're going to answer each one of these goals, okay? Just in general for how the week is going. All right. And then overall, after binder check chats, you guys have academic genius minutes. Of course, you know this. Oh, whoops, this is for this week. Or this is for a later week. Then we have our academic genius minutes, and then you guys will have a quick exit ticket at the end just to kind of reflect on college in general. Tomorrow we're going to pick up with our college reflection. Your homework is to finish any and all classwork, okay? It's going to be due Wednesday, October 6th for app class. Okay, you guys, as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. As always, I am right here for you guys, and I will see you guys later. All right. Oops. See you guys.